Hey guys, Filmmaker. I'm here with Chaston and Jimmy, and we're about to do some stunts. Sound good?
We were close to see the sun.
Hey, I'm Winter and you're watching God's Filmmaker. Today I'm going to talk with you about my top 3 tips for shooting good vertical video. Tip number 1 is to turn your camera on its side. Now, turning your camera on its side sounds easy. I mean, after all, you can do it with a cell phone. You can do it with a DSLR or mirrorless when you're vlogging. But for professional filmmaking, you'll want to be able to mount your camera vertically on professional gear. So you can either mount a ball head on top of your current tripod mount, or you could build or buy a mount made specifically for this. Tip number 2 is to shoot in 4K and to pull the shots that you need out of that, which means that you can upload in full resolution by pulling a 1080p vertical image out of 4K. You can also pull horizontal 1080p images out of 4K or condense it down to 1080p. So what's the advantage here? You can shoot one video, such as this monologue, and post it to both IGTV and to YouTube without having to shoot it twice. Tip number 3 is that vertical video gives you a lot of new options for composing. We've been stuck composing for widescreen for a while now, but you can shoot action, you can shoot suspense, and I really think this format would work great for a romantic story. Whatever you shoot, just make sure you're still using good lighting and composition so your footage will still be cinematic. Check out this video on both YouTube and IGTV and see the differences artistically. It was created for both using the techniques that we spoke about in this video. And that's it. Subscribe and remember, you can be God's filmmaker.